Trinity Health Michigan, a statewide health system spanning from Grand Rapids to Detroit. Our health system is powered by more than 20,000 full-time employees with hundreds of healthcare facilities, including hospitals, outpatient healthcare centers, senior communities, and physician practices across the state. Employment opportunities are abundant. As a mission-based organization, a culture of compassion and excellence is central to our sacred daily work of caring for patients and the communities we serve. When you begin working here, you should know you have a career path with us. You can start here and go anywhere. This video highlights food and nutrition services. Food and nutrition services is a critical department in healthcare. As a food and nutrition colleague, you will have various roles and opportunities to support our patients, visitors, and colleagues' health and dietary requirements.
I love working for Food and Nutrition Services because of the service that we provide to the patients and guests here at the hospital. What I love about working here from where I started is the fact that there are so many growth opportunities. I worked as a tray runner for several years and then eventually moved into a call center position, which allowed me to move into this administrative assistant position. So if I wanted to move up from here, there still is a lot of opportunities. One thing I really enjoyed about being a tray runner is being up on the floor and interacting with all the different nursing staff, colleagues, and patients that are up on the units. From my administrative assistant job, I love helping all the different people in different departments throughout the hospital. So we have many roles here in the department. We have food service workers who do anything from running trays, putting patient trays together. We have cooks, we have cashiers in the cafeteria, we have dietitians that we work closely with in our department here as well. And then we have our management team who help support the daily activities of the department. There are just endless opportunities here in many different areas, and even if I don't decide to stay here in Grand Rapids at the organization, there are many other locations that I could transfer to continue my opportunities.
At our organization, you will find state-of-the-art facilities coupled with compassionate and professional teams. We strive to create the very best work environment, which allows you to achieve your personal and professional goals, and more importantly, know that you make a difference. If you're interested in learning more about joining our team, please visit our website. We look forward to connecting with you.